Hello guys, welcome to my channel Swati Pharmagnan sharing knowledge. Today's topic is anti-scabies and anti-pedicular agents. This topic is there in third PharmD or GHS syllabus. What is scabies? Scabies is a skin infection which is caused by a mite Sarcoptes scabiei. This small microscopic mite will stay on skin for months. So it is actually a mite which will stay on our more months. Then it will reproduce on the surface of the skin and then they will burrow into it and lay eggs. What are the symptoms of scabies skin diseases? Scabies shows the itchy skin and red rashes. How we can treat this scabies skin diseases? By using scabicides. These are the drugs or agents which are used to control mite infestations. This organism that thrives under conditions of poor personal hygiene. When this scabies skin disease will occur to the patient is if the person is not maintaining healthy hygiene, he is under the conditions of poor personal hygiene, then we can observe this scabies skin disease. What are pediculosides? These are chemical agents that are used to eliminate lice from our body or from the scalp or from the head, etc. are called as pediculosides. Sides means the chemical agents which will kill the lice. Ideal pediculosides or scabicidal drugs must kill the adult parasites and they should also destroy the eggs which are present under the skin surface. The first drug which can be used as a scabicidal agent and pediculoside is benzyl benzoate. This is benzyl group and this one is benzoate. Benzene with the COOR. Consider this one as the R is called as ester and this ester in the place of R benzyl group is present. What is benzyl group? C6H5 and CH2 is called benzyl group. This is the complete structure of benzyl benzoate, naturally occurring ester obtained from Peru balsam and other resins. From the plant products like Peru balsam and other resins, we will obtain this ester which is a naturally occurred. It is effective scabicide to relieve itching. Usually the scabies patient will be having the itchy skin and red skin that can be relieved or that can be removed by this effective scabicide. It is applied topically as a lotion and also in the form of emulsion over the entire dampened body except face. Except face, wherever we are finding the itchy skin and red colored skin, red spots skin there and all, we can apply this lotion. Next drug which can be used as a scabicidal or pediculoside agent is linden. The single cyclohexane structure to this 6 chloro groups are attached at all the 6 positions is the structure of linden. Such a simple structure, the chemical name of this structure linden is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexachlorocyclohexane. It has a fumigant effect and direct contact poison. So it is having the burning sensation, so that because of the burning sensation that itching and all we can remove and it will directly act as a poison and it will act as a stomach poison also. And it is used as a lotion, cream or shampoo for both scabicidal and pediculocidal effect. Next structure is crotameton. Crotameton structure contains toluene group. Phenyl ring with methyl group is called toluene, and to this toluene NCH2CH3 is attached. Then COCH double bond CH3 means that is structure of crotameton. It is used for the topical treatment of scabies. Next structure is permethrin. Permethrin is the structure which is used for the treatment of scabies and also for the to remove the lice on the head. This is the structure of permethrin where it contains 2 phenyl rings. In between the 2 phenyl rings one oxygen bridge is present and here CH2COO group is present and here cyclopropyl ring. To this cyclopropyl ring 2 methyl groups are attached and here dichloroethyl group is attached, ethylene group is present. Uses or it exerts a lethal action on lice, mites, ticks and fleas. So all these which will attack the body and which will show some itching reaction on the skin. It will act on nerve cell membranes of the parasites to disrupt sodium channel conductance. If sodium channel conductance has been disrupted, conduction of the impulses cannot occur in the parasite. It acts as a pediculocide also for the treatment of head lice. Thank you all.